In this video, we'll show you how to approve purchases in Family Link quickly and easily, so you can control purchases made from your child's account. The first thing we need to do is open the Google Family Link app on our phone and sign in with the parent's or guardian's account. Once we're inside, we'll select the child's profile that we want to manage. Then, we'll go to the Controls section and look for the settings related to purchases and content. Here, we can configure how purchases made through the child's account should be handled. Depending on the available settings, we can require parental approval before certain purchases can be completed. When the child tries to make a purchase that requires approval, we'll receive a request through our Family Link account. From there, we can review what they want to purchase and check the price before deciding what to do. If everything looks correct, we'll simply approve the purchase by following the instructions shown on the screen. If we don't want to authorize it, we can reject the request and the purchase won't be completed. It's also a good idea to regularly review the Google Play and Family Link settings, as there are other options available to manage apps, games, and content on the child's account. This gives us greater control over purchases and can help prevent accidental or unauthorized purchases from being made. As you can see, approving purchases in Family Link is a fairly simple process and allows us to manage purchases from a child's account more safely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.